Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training. Just wanted to talk a little bit today about appointment setting and time management and how they're related, okay? So when you go to set an appointment, you're going to say, well, they've said, yes, I am thinking about selling my house. You're talking to a for sale by owner, an expired, a cold call, a referral, something like that. And then you say, when can we get together? And there's this awkward pause, and they always do this thing where they say, Bob, is it Bob? Bob, listen, Bob, we want to wait a couple of months, and then you don't get to go. So we got to eliminate that. So part of that is time management. So here's why. The Fearless Agent schedule goes like this. Now, some people have issues with kids and other things, and this schedule won't work for you, but if it can work for you, try to make it. So 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. minimum every day, telephone prospecting, outgoing calls only, no incoming calls. Make sure you're not researching who to call, you're making one call after another, 9 a.m. to 11, okay? From 11 a.m. to noon, I don't care what you do, but you're probably going to be returning calls or getting a cup of coffee, going to the restroom, something like that. Then at noon, go to lunch, okay? When you go to lunch, leave your phone in the car, and whoever goes to lunch with you has to leave their phone in the car. Then you will sit in the restaurant talking to each other like we used to do in the old days, and you'll be watching all the other people in the restaurant typing at each other. So you need a little break with no work. So it takes a half an hour, 45 minutes to eat. Then between noon and 2, do lunch and any errands you have to do. Going to the bank, going to the dry cleaners, going to the board of realtors, picking up lock boxes, whatever you got to do, dental appointment. Get all that done in that noon to 2 slot. Then at 2, I want you to schedule all of your listing appointments, all of your buyer appointments, all of your investor appointments at 2 times a day only, either 2:30 or 7 p.m. at night. Now think about it. The longest listing appointment in the world with the lonely person who likes to talk a lot, 3 hours maybe, right, to get the listing and get everything done. So you never know which one of your appointments is going to turn into that 3-hour extravaganza. So if I schedule one at 4 in the afternoon, I can't do one at 2:30, I can't do one at 7, I can never do one in the morning because that is sacred religious prospecting time. That's where all the money comes from. You can never violate that standard. And now I can only do one a day. And if you're going to hit the kind of numbers you want to hit, you're going to have to do 2 a day some days, because many days you don't do any. So you've effectively doubled your income by doing 2:30 and 7 appointments. So all the older people have something that I love. It's called equity. We get paid out of the equity, right? Take all the older people that are retired, that are not 9 to 5 people, and shove them into that 2:30 slot, and then you can have a life, right? The 9 to 5 people, they have to meet with you in the later evening hours. So hope that helps you, gang. That doubles your income for the year. If I can ever help you, at fearlessagent.com, give me a call. Love to do a complimentary coaching call with you. Go to one of our free teleseminars. Any way we can help you become a fearless agent, we want to do it. Thanks.